Welcome to our guide on fixing mouse input lag in Counter-Strike 2. If you've been struggling with sluggish reactions during intense gameplay, you're not alone. First, let's understand what causes mouse input lag. It can stem from game settings, Windows configurations, and your mouse hardware. Start by tweaking the game settings. Reduce mouse sensitivity and disable VSync to see an immediate difference. Next, let's head to your Windows mouse settings. Make sure that mouse acceleration is turned off for precise control. Don't forget to check your mouse hardware. Ensure it's clean and functioning optimally, and consider upgrading if necessary. Updating your graphics drivers can also significantly improve responsiveness. Always keep them up to date. Consider investing in a high refresh rate monitor. This will reduce motion blur and enhance your gameplay visuals. Adjust your display settings in Counter-Strike 2 to match your monitor's capabilities for the best experience. Implementing the right mouse acceleration techniques can help you enhance your precision. Experiment with different styles to find what fits you best. In conclusion, addressing mouse input lag includes a variety of steps, from adjusting settings to optimizing hardware. Follow these tips, and you'll be dominating in Counter-Strike 2 in no time.